Okay, I'm about to go feed the birds. And there's all sorts of birds that live here. It's like this hill I have to go up. It's fairly steep. And here we are. There's all sorts of birds that live here, like golden doves and pheasants and just cardinals and crows. All sorts of creatures, and there's also raccoons and squirrels. It's absolutely amazing. It's normally the birds feel more comfortable eating by the edge of the forest. So, and they like the back here because they're pretty fidgety, some of them. Yeah, here we are. So what I do is I just kind of put the food on the ground and I just kind of like sprinkle it on the ground. They eat a lot. It's amazing how much birds can eat. I kind of make a trail for them. There. Here we go. By the edge of the forest. Beautiful view from up here. You can see the ocean. Okay, nice. The raccoons, they like to make holes. I don't know if you can see that or not. They dig for creatures. That's pretty nice up here. So I got the birds fed. You're gonna like that. I'm gonna go back down.